This next word I want to show you is a word I really, really like. It's the word imagine. Now, before I get into an example or show you really what this word's about, I want to do a little exercise. Right now, I want you to take a moment, clear your thoughts, and now I want you to imagine that you've completed this course. You have these words, you have these power phrases, and now you start using them. You start writing excellent, clear, concise copy for yourself, for your clients. You start making your clients money. You start making money. You start building a business. You start creating copy for lots of clients. Your business grows. Your name becomes known in the copywriting world. And you become a successful, long-standing member of the top tier copywriting society. Now, what did you just do as I told you that story? You imagined it. That is the power of the word imagine. Your goal as a copywriter is to persuade a reader to take action. Now, the next best thing is to get them to imagine taking action. And this is what you must do in most cases when you're trying to sell something